Hey friend, I am so excited to bring you something special today. We are talking about how to use a cash fund on your baby registry to help support you with the extra help you might need and you definitely deserve after baby arrives. I recently did a video on the 5 types of support you never knew you could hire to help you after baby. And now that you know, I want to help make that as feasible as possible for you. So we're going to talk about how to put a cash fund on your baby registry so that people can help you pay for this additional support and how to ask them about it on your baby shower invitations. I'm Katie Huey Harrison, founder and editor-in-chief of Undefining Motherhood. We're an educational site and community equipping you to do this mom thing your way. And I am so glad to get to talk to you today about how to create a baby registry cash fund. Now, a cash fund is something that you can do on a lot of different sites, but I'm going to show you how to do it on BabyList because BabyList is a really simple, easy place, and most of us already have registries there. And if you don't, it's super simple to import your current registry so you are good to go. Let me show you. So here is what you are going to do. You are going to log into BabyList, and if you are not already a member, I have dropped a link in the description below. So all you have to do is click that and start getting your registry set up. If you need to build a registry, you can just click here where you're going to build your registry, get it going, and then you'll go to your registry main page, and this is where you're starting if you already have a BabyList registry, and you're going to come over here to the right hand side, add a cash fund. You're going to click this button and you're going to look at the different types of cash funds that you can include. And there are a number of different ones here. This is a basic cash fund and this is what we're going to be using. But you can also show things like funding baby's future if you want to do a college fund, diaper fund for baby, parental leave. Oh, they have college fund separate here, which is interesting. Meal fund. I love this if you are looking for ways to buy yourself some additional meals. A doula fund if you want one for birth. Childcare is huge and amazing, and an adoption fund is also fantastic. But for our purposes today, we're just going to go with a very basic cash fund because you can do whatever you want with this option. You're going to click here, add to BabyList, and then you're going to title your cash fund. Now you want to be as specific as possible when you are choosing a cash fund title, and here's why. People like to give very specific gifts. A lot of people have trouble with the idea of giving cash as a gift. So what you have to do is help them visualize the actual gift that they're giving you. So let's say that you want to fund a postpartum doula. If that's the case, then I might call this Katie's Special Postpartum Doula Fund. Now I'm including the word special because I want people to feel like this is important to me, and I'm using my name because again I want it to be very personalized. I want people to be able to envision it. Then I'm going to include a note for friends and family. This is super important. You might not think it is, but I promise you want to include this note because you want to make it clear why this is going to benefit you. You want people to look at it and say, oh wow, that really would support her. So a postpartum doula can do lots of different things. They come into your house and they can clean your house, they can do your dishes, they can do your laundry, they can cook you meals, they can help you with lactation, they can hold the baby while you shower or sleep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on mom and baby bonding. And I'm going to say, help me have more special bonding time. I've already said special, so let's change that actual. More time to bond with baby. And if you have a name for your baby and you've shared it already, I would put that name in here. So my baby's name is Branham. So let's call her by name because again, we want people to visualize it. Help me, first person here, so they can envision this is you. This is not a random person. This is you who they're here to help. Help me have more time to bond with Branham by allowing me to hire support to around the house. A postpartum doula will support my recovery and give me peace of mind as I go through this special time with my new baby girl. You want to keep it short and simple, but also paint a picture for the gifters. Then you have these two options down here, and this is really important. The gift giver donation options. You can opt to receive cash or checks by mail or in person. So this is something you want to do, like if you're having a shower where you're asking for donations. But what I strongly suggest is that you click here and you allow PayPal. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to link your own personal PayPal account. And here's the reason you want to do that. Because if someone is coming to your registry, they came with the intention to go ahead and purchase a gift for you. So if now they have to wait and do it later, maybe get a checkbook out and write a check, that's going to deter some of them from being able to give you this gift. So what I want to do is I want to have it where people who are already here to purchase can just go and say, oh, all right, I will pay her via PayPal, click the link, let it load, and there's money in your PayPal account waiting for you from a gift giver. So once you have added that to your registry, here's what it's going to look like. People are going to be able to see the items that you are registering for up top, and then at the bottom, they're going to see all of your cash funds. So they can click and they can look at that cash fund and they can go ahead and donate to you. Now, all you have to do is tell people about your cash fund. Now, anyone looking at your registry is going to be able to see the cash fund, but you want to highlight it if it's something that's really important to you. And the easiest way to do that is to mention it on your baby shower invitation. So if you're sending out a formal invitation, we can use this as an example. You are seeing where it says you're invited to this baby shower, and below here where it says the location of the baby shower, in a formal invitation, you're going to say registered at blank. So in our case, registered on BabyList. Then you're going to put a note underneath. Now, what I'm showing you here is an Evite, and that's what most of us do for our baby showers now. So I'll show you how to add that too. So here I am in Evite, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and I'm just going to click add a message. And when you add this message, what you're going to do is you're just going to have a quick gift note so that people can see this when they open it. And it's going to say something like, your presence is more than enough for us. But if you'd like to bring a gift, Katie is registered at BabyList. She would especially welcome contributions to Branham's registry fund, which will give her the gift of more and better bonding time with baby. So what you're doing is you're politely calling out to people, hey, there's a cash fund here and you can use it. And it's important to the mom that you do. But you're still being polite, you're being loving, and if there's someone who happens to think, oh, you shouldn't give cash as a gift, it's fine. They don't have to. But you've given a polite nod toward it to the people who really want that option and want to support you in this way. I hope you found this to be super helpful. I am so excited for you to get your cash fund going. So I am dying to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what is the thing that you are trying to fund with your cash fund? And if there are multiple things, good for you, mama. I am so proud of you and I can't wait to hear from you. And if you want even more help making this baby registry absolutely perfect, grab our baby registry checklist. I'm dropping a link to it in the description below, and it tells you everything that you need to put on the registry outside of that cash fund. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for so much more information to help you learn what you need to know so you can mom the way that you want to. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, friend. Bye.